This is the Fraser C Robb's showroom. We sell an extensive range of ground care and garden equipment for domestic and commercial clients throughout Scotland. We are based in Drimmen, a family business trading for over 40 years. We have a team of engineers who are highly trained and experienced in servicing and repairing the equipment. From a small garden to a large council to an estate or a golf club, we provide excellent service to our customers. We are at the heart of our community. We really value the loyal customers who choose to buy local.
I like to use Fraser Robb because they're local, reliable, always give a good service and they're great value for money.
Fraser C Robb, I like working with them because they're dependable, they're reliable. In the industry I work in, if a machine breaks, I need it back fast, and Fraser's will do that.
We work with many councils and large organisations. They like our competitive prices and our quality service.
We at Cadder Housing really appreciate Fraser C Robb on the service they provide. From small items to large items, they always deliver on time, and punctuality is exceptionally well for them.
We're constantly evolving the business and at the forefront of new technology, such as battery power, with its efficiencies and environmental benefits it brings. We've also just opened a new business hub above the showroom, an opportunity for local businesses to hire desk space or meeting rooms. As we've discovered, this is a much needed facility in this rural community.